Hi friends, it's me, Jenny. In this video, I wanted to share with you my journey attempting to get neon orange hair. I also got some awesome nail polish from Gellen Gel recently. They had some really awesome orange and like autumn Halloween colors, and I'm doing a separate video on those neon nail colors. But in this one, I wanted to show you the hair that I attempted. First, I saved a bunch of different pins on Pinterest for inspiration and ideas because I love beautiful different colors, especially when there's like an ombre or a rainbow effect. Today, I'm just going to bleach my hair first using this whiteout kit. We've done this before and it's still my favorite bleach kit. Later we find out that the Splat orange hair dye that we're going to do also came with its own bleach, so I guess I didn't need to buy the bleach separately, but we went ahead and bleached my hair with the whiteout kit. I am by no means a trained hairstylist or nail artist, so take any of my advice with a medium-sized grain of salt. I wanted to give you an idea of my long, dark roots and that I had been growing out my hair since the last time that I had bleached it. So my hair has been growing out. There's about 3 inches of dark hair and the rest is bleached from last time. If you do this at home, make sure not to drip it on your face or in your eyes. And as I was applying this bleach, I was really careful not to get it on my face. The amount of time that you would want to leave it in your hair varies, so what I always do is I'll just keep an eye on the hair as it's lightening and make sure to take it out as soon as it's done. At this point, we were opening up the box of Orange Fireball by Splat. It looked like the brightest orange, like neon orange hair dye that I could find. I believe it was only about $10. After I rinsed out the bleach, I could see that it wasn't totally platinum blonde, but that's okay since we're about to dye it orange. But if I was going for blonde, I would probably have done maybe even one more pass on the bleach, although that might have totally fried my hair, I don't know. So after reading the instructions for the Splat hair dye, I noticed that they said that it definitely stains stuff like in the bathroom. If you rinse your hair out in the sink or the bathtub, just beware that it might stain. So once you rinse out this orange hair dye, you might want to scrub and or bleach your tub or sink. Unlike the bleach, I was sure to leave the orange hair dye in there for a very long time. I let it sit in my hair for at least an hour, I think, so I wanted it to be as bright orange as possible. And I wanted it to last a long time, not just a couple of washes. A lot of you who have followed me over the years know my cat Alice. Here she is being super cute and cuddly while my hair sets. She's 16 now and I've had her since she was a kitten. This is what it looked like after I rinsed out the hair dye. I did not use any shampoo the first time. So this is what it looked like after getting rinsed with water and not using any conditioner yet or anything. So I thought it turned out amazingly well, super duper bright and mostly even, and dyeing my hair myself wasn't too hard to keep it even and look super bright. It did kind of dye my scalp a little bit, and I definitely noticed this when I used this hair trimmer. I then wanted to add a DIY haircut and trim the sides of my hairs so it could be kind of like a faux-hawk, not a total mohawk, but I tried to use these matching attachments so that it would be like a fade, but even after all this, I wound up shaving the sides some more, and I'll show you what it looked like after. Alright, this is what it looked like in the final phase. I even used some chameleon chrome eye makeup to try to match the orange hair, But unlike a lot of people I see on Pinterest and Instagram, I don't have any neon orange lipstick or eyeshadow, but I'm definitely keeping my eyes out for some now that I know that I can get hair this color. Well, I hope you like the way this autumn look turned out. And if you celebrate Halloween, I hope you have an awesome holiday in a couple days. And let me know if you have any other ideas or suggestions for future looks, whether it be neon hair dye, nail art, or DIY fashion. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next time.